We have a front projector, ceiling mounted, which fortunately should give us easy access to the lamp and filter because they are located on the bottom of the unit, which is actually the top when ceiling mounted. One of the first signs of a problem with your lamp is the declining quality of the projected image. Then you might find a warning notice in the lower right hand corner saying please replace the lamp and filter. This is a Sony Bravia XRD VPL-VW60, of which I'm about to change the lamp. If you're like me, you've probably misplaced your owner's manual. Fortunately, you can look this up online, either using a computer or, in my case, an iPad. The equipment needed for this lamp change project is simply a Phillips screwdriver. They also suggest a cloth, which is to hold the unit so it doesn't get scratched, but as I mentioned, mine is a ceiling mounted unit. The other thing, of course, is to have the instructions close by to help guide you in this small project. While it doesn't ask for it, I decided to use silicone gloves just so that I don't risk getting fingerprints on the lamp itself. Chances are slim because this lamp is already mounted in its own case. Projector is a ceiling mount, and so one of the first things we need to do is make sure we disconnect the power supply. Easy to do by just unplugging it. Make sure you give plenty of time for the lamp to cool before deciding to touch it and handle it. I'll be back in about 15 minutes. The air filter is located in the front of the unit and can be easily removed by simply lifting the clamps. This is a view of the front air filter taken off the video projector. You can see there's quite an accumulation of dust. I regret not having cleaned it for more than 2 years, but it seems to have performed okay despite that. Time to clean it with just brushing and slight vacuum. I ordered my lamp from Lamp Source, an online merchant. It arrived within 3 days of placing the order by UPS. They claim to be an original equipment manufacturer or OEM supplier. Here's the new lamp out of the box, already in its housing, ready to be installed. Let's take out the old one and move on. The lamp housing is located on the back of the unit. The cover can be removed by loosening one screw and pulling it off. There are then 3 screws that need to be loosened. Once the 3 screws are loosened, reach in, pull the handle, pull the lamp casing straight up. Here you see the old lamp on the right and the new lamp to the left. It is shipped upside down, or at least I had it upside down. This is how it will be installed, and we're ready to replace it. The new lamp and assembly basically slides in to the old spot, and we will tighten these screws. Here we are tightening the screws. And then we secure the handle. Replace the cover. And the cover is finally secure, and we can re-plug in our unit. Now let's test it. And you can see the lamp is working. The room is a little bright because of the sun, but that'll be okay once we close the shades. And I have to reset the lamp filter timer. So we'll go to the menu and select lamp and click replacement OK per the instructions.